So now you want to do one practice along with here, or you want to do on your own, how you want to do, because today's session, whatever the things that I wanted to show you, I think almost we are done with that. Let me just show you. So we have what we have seen so far. We have seen the white versus tall table, how to transform the data, how to fill and replace the data, how to split and formatting the data, date and time transformation. This entire big part we have completed. And then we have done the data set, loading the data, combining the data, absence of common column. Yeah, so this one part I will show you now. So how the cardinality works in the, let's say, the Power BI, that part I will show you so that it will be easy for you to see that part. And for that, there is a one more Excel, which is already been recorded and available. The session is already recorded and available, but just to show you the cardinality, that how you can create that part, that I will show you. So let's say you have let me just share the just see the data where that is available, and then we will see that part. Yeah. So in case, let's say you have two Excel files, one Excel file has got some other data, another Excel file has got another data. Now, how you can combine that part we will see. So you need to have, let me just share the screen. So right now, let's say you have order ID, order date, and then customer name, and so forth and so forth. That entire part, that what we have seen in the earlier dashboard also. Like you have region, segment, economy modes, latitude, longitude, and all of those things. So here you have two Excel sheet. You have two sheets. One is the order ID, order date, and name and everything. While the order breakdown has got order ID again, product name, what was the discount, sales, profit. Now, how you can combine this data? How you can combine this data into the Power BI, that we will see. So for that, again, I will take one more Power BI dashboard file. And in case of there is a absence of common column, how we can do that part, that also we will see. So I will, let's say, let me open the blank report. Let me take the Excel data, and it is already available. This particular file is already available on the portal, so you can download from there. So let's say this particular data is been loaded now. And now when we see both the data, already transformation has happened, but both the data in the two different sheets. Now how you can combine these two parts? So let's say we will load both the data, and we will see how we can combine these two things. Okay. Now you can see we have both the sheets, list of order also there and order breakdown. Now you can see there is a cardinality, the rule of cardinality. Now how it works, let's see. So now you can see there is a one. If I click on this part, now you can see that it has got highlighted. When I'm hovering over this line, you can see order ID is highlighted in this particular table. Order ID is also highlighted in this particular table. And now you can see there is a one to many relationship. Now this particular relationship, if it is not available, if I'm deleting this right now, I have just deleted, I will do Control Z again. If this particular relationship is not available, how we can create the relationship? So we can go to Manage Relationship, and then we can do Auto Detect also. As soon as we auto detect, it will say the one new relationship has been found out, and then we can create on this part, and then the relationship has been created, which is a auto detect. Now in case it is not getting auto detected, then what we can do? So that part also we will see. So we will go to the manage relationship. Let's say we'll go to the new relationship, and now why one to many or many to many, that part we will see. So we will see list of orders. Now we will go to Excel, and I will show you why one to many and many to one. Now you can see order breakdown. You can see none of the order numbers are, let's say all the numbers are here, which are like repeating, like two items are there, same order, so it is repeating. But if you see here, none of the orders are getting repeated. There is a one single ID for one particular person, and it is related to one particular customer. So there is none of the numbers are repeating over here. So there is a one relationship into the list of orders. And in the case of order breakdown, there are multi, so one to many relationship. And that is why it is called many, one to many. Now I have chosen list of orders. I have chosen order breakdown. Now you can see it is already showing me one to many. There is a one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. Now many to many is very difficult. It is not able to identify. Let's say if I change to, let's say, many to one, it will give me the error. Column ID, column order ID in table order breakdown contains the duplicate values. Why? Because you can see in the order breakdown, it has got similar two things are there. So it will not allow me many to one. But if I, let's say, do one to many, it will allow me to save, and I can save it. And now my relationship has been established, and I can say close. And now we can see the relationship has been established. I will delete again. I will go to manage relationship again, and I can say new relationship. Now this time I am reversing. I am putting a order breakdown, and I am putting a list of orders. Now you can see it has come many to one. And if I choose one to many, it will say that there is a duplicate values. Mind blown? So